consuela, me ofrece claridad para pensar, para sentir mi más sincera voluntad. La voz del tiempo es la única verdad que tengo.
I don't like that. That's fucked. Yeah, I don't know. XRP? Let me have a look. Go on YouTube if you want the full charts. But give me a second to have a look at it. Where is it? Where the fuck is it? XRP. Yeah, I mean, nobody wants to buy in. Nobody wants to buy in at all. It's fucking... Everyone's very fearful of XRP at the moment. No one wants to fucking touch it. Where you from? Brisbane, Australia. All in Solana? Really? I need to look at the Solana price. Let me have a look. Because I don't have it on my charts. Holy fuck, it's at 126? Whew. That's cooked. Holy shit. That's really fucked up. I didn't know it was that bad. Fucking hell, yeah, Solana's cooked. Probably a good time to buy in, I suppose. But, yeah, I don't know. We're at the bottom of, like, big ranges from, like, April, June, September, October-ish. We're sitting around those prices, so... We could see it push back up, or we could see it go back to, 2022 levels, which is, $20. That's very possible. Very, very, very possible. So, yeah. What was I on? New Zealand dollar, US dollar. I'm happy with that trade. Get back up to there, make some money. I see Brisbane, yep. Lex, thank you very much for following me. Oh, fucking hell. I would not have liked that. You got any book recommendations? I haven't read much read many books about trading, or any at all, really. You know what's a good book? These are my favourite books. Anyway, Tom Hugard, I think, has a good book. These are the books you need. How to Negotiate. Verbal Judo. Very important. Psychology of Money. Just Listen. And The Big Boy, The 48 Laws of Power. This is a strange book. Very strange book, but it's good. You should read it. Anyway, those are my recommendations. What's good, everyone? But how are we? Psychology of Money. Watch that one. Smash the likes. Come on, get me up. What are you making money on? I'm in lots of trades right now. Right now on YouTube, if you jump over to YouTube, I'm in a trade on New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Just see how it plays out. I'm not scalping, so might take me a couple hours, but should be good. I can't show the charts on fucking TikTok because I get suspended every time and I'm on my last warning. Zozo, what's good? Is the market going to crash? Which one? What markets? I trade Forex and indices. Indices I'm not in on at the moment though, as of a couple of weeks ago. OG Anthony. Hey, mister. Oh, the Taxman's back. Hello, Mr. Taxman. What's going on? I'm good. Sorry. I said OG Anthony. Anonyby. Whatever your name is. Hello. Cheers, bro. No worries. Where do you live? Brisbane, Australia. Flynn, thank you very much for following me. Ruben Villahermosa Wyckoff books are really good. Don't even know what that is. Hi, Mr. Sir, I like your couch. There you are. I barely ever fucking sit on it. Is that Will Gibb? It's got to be said. It's got to be said. Especially with no hat on. How am I looking, bud? Do I look pretty? Do I look pretty? I swear I'm the guy that Will Gibb makes videos of. I'm the guy who he's portraying. Hello, father. Hello, son. How are you? What's been happening? Thank you very much for the rose, bro. I appreciate that. Jats Hut followed. Thank you very much. Day trader. How much do you make and does it fluctuate a lot? Fluctuates all the time. You never have a month that's the same, pretty much. But I can only say percentages, and I make about 7.5% per month. Last month I did 21.22%, I think. It's the new month now, so we'll see how we go. Clean dashboard. We'll see what happens. What up, shorty? What's good? Beauty. Thank you. Layton, show your bank account immediately. Don't keep me waiting. Get the fuck out of here. I passed my assignment, 96%. Fucking hell. Very close to my other favorite number. Fuck, that's a good job, bro. Fucking really good job. 96% is huge. That's pretty good considering the average day trader losing money. Yeah, absolutely. Well, the average profitable day trader makes between 3 and 10% per month. So it's not a lot compared to what the majority of people talk about on online, saying they make fucking 5,000% in a year and all this bullshit. So yeah, average 3 to 10%. My average is about 7.5%. It might be 7.6, 7.7, closer to 8 maybe because of last month. So yeah, we'll take it. Made 800 yesterday. Nice. What on? Nice. Not a single P&L posted on the account, mate. What do you mean by that? Oil. Nice. I don't trade oil at all. Can I ask you something? Absolutely. Whatever you want. As long as it's not going to get me fucking banned. Mine's about 5% per month. That's pretty good. That's good. That's good. Most people online will say that's shit, but that's really good. So good job, bearded Paddy. What you mean by that? Seems like you're talking a bit of jargon, mate. Okay. Like, I've literally got trades on YouTube right now. Go look. Cameron, no. What was that in response to? All right. Taxman's up there with #1 gifters, so you listen to him. If you make so much, why are you on here doing lives? Bro, this literally doesn't even pay me anything. It's more for personal brand, getting people into the community, all that shit. Obviously, I got the fucking course and everything, but it pays me about 40 cents an hour. So it literally pays me dick. But it's all about personal brand, building social media and shit like that. I've always wanted to do it, and I've been trading for years and years and years. I only just started getting online and doing this shit. Brother, why are you drinking Red Bull at 7 p.m? Man, I got a fucking... Holy shit, we got 31 people in here. Fucking oath. If you want to follow me, hit the follow button. It supports me a lot. I'd appreciate that because I am new and I am small. So thanks everyone. Welcome. Whatever you want to ask it. I got the full charts on YouTube with trades on running right now. And I'm drinking Red Bull because I stay up till like 5 a.m. working. And I got to stay up for New York session and shit like that. So I'm up pretty late. Don't listen to the noise from others, mate. It's okay. I love when people come in here and challenge me and all of that stuff because, you know, like, it proves that I'm not full of shit, essentially. So I'm very transparent. I'll answer pretty much whatever question comes through. As long as if people are taking the piss a little bit too much and asking like ridiculous shit, then it's like, whatever. But, you know, people coming in here and challenge me, I'm cool with that. I want to learn. Go into my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. It's free. Come in, ask me any question you want. Happy to talk to you. Happy to help out wherever I can for free. Bert Chop sent me a heart me. Thank you very much, Bert. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you. Been in it over 10 years. Fuck, nice. In oil, is that what you said? Or was that somebody else saying? Oh no, that was Shorty. But yeah, no, good shit. See, you'd know that the percentages are just bullshit. Like people fucking saying they make shitloads of fucking money and stuff. It's all bullshit. He seems pretty genuine giving percentages instead of saying he makes X thousands a day. I can't say. I got in trouble for talking dollar figures, so I'm not allowed to. Hey, talk about tax. Ask my accountant. Canelo Alvarez. I've had that before. End of the day, if you were making 7.5% a month, why on earth are you going to beg people to join a Discord? I don't beg people to join a Discord. I don't give a fuck if you join or don't. I like helping people. How you structure tax, accountant. What did you make last year? I think I ended on like 80 something percent. I'll put it into a program and check. Canelo Alvarez. And you're Australian? Yeah. And what pairs do you trade? I trade 28 different pairs. I've canned all Swiss and yen pairs for the moment, but all the other major crosses I trade, like anything pound, odd, euro, USD, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. Did I say that? I think so. Anyway, a shitload of pairs. Did you steal my cookie? Nah. There we go. Some follows. Thank you, guys. Bearded Patty, Merble, and Andy. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. I'm new, so all the support helps. I appreciate that a lot. What trading app do you use? I use MT4. You got to stay up for US market. That's why I was drinking an energy drink in the evening. Yeah, it's fucked. I don't go to bed till like, actually 6 a.m. I went to bed this morning. I didn't get off my computer till about 5 a.m. I had to post a video for the mentorship guys and everything with a few updated settings on my expert advisor, which is my trading bot that they get access to for free. So I had to fucking film a video at like 2 a.m. and then give it out to them. Do you know what fun is, or is that an optional extra in your program? Personal brand, I understand. I used to go live. I used to hold 500. Oh, nice. No, it's cool, bro. It's all good. I'm chill as fuck, so yeah. I tried. I've only ever had to remove 3 people from my lives, ever. And it was just, I give people so many chances. I don't really care. Like, say whatever the fuck you want. It's just if it takes away from the stream a little bit too much, that's when it's like, come on. Is SMCI worth buying? I don't know what that is. Is that a crypto or a stock? I don't trade stocks or crypto, so yeah. Sorry. Teddy Bear, thank you very much for following me. What trader do you use? I use MetaTrader 4. I don't know if that's what you're talking about. Yes, I know what fun is, dear. Come on, guys. Enough. James Cobalt, thank you very much for following me. Shares dropped 1% today, sitting at 52 cents. They said it will hit $30 within 4 years. Shares on what? If you could collab with any TikToker, who would it be and why? I'm not too bothered with collabing with people or anything. I just do my own thing, you know? Like, I'm cool with doing my own thing, but yeah, I don't know. I actually really don't know. I'm happy doing my own shit. What are your thoughts on investing long term? I think it's good. For the majority of people that don't want to sit in front of a chart all the time, I think investing long term is good. Is modern day trading all about automation? I use automation. I developed my own bot and it makes it a lot easier. And the reason it does is because it takes out a lot of psychology and you'll never time the market. So I use automation. It's not for everybody, but I've been profitable with automation for years. So yeah. The thing is, it might be 7% a month, but think how much you got in it, lol. Exactly. Well, that's the thing. Yeah. You could have $500 in it and, you know, you're only making, you know, fuck all. Isn't there no creator fund for Australia? I got fucking no idea. I'm so new to social media. And thank you for following me, Angus. How long did it take for you to make a profit? Well, I didn't go live for 2 years. So I was demo for 2 years. And then I went straight into it with a 20K account and I've been profitable ever since. And that was about 3 years ago. So I was unprofitable for about 1.5 years though. Like just learning, doing courses and mentorships from the wrong people and just learning all this bullshit that didn't make sense. So yeah. Bravo, thank you very much for following me. Where's the best place to learn more about this? There's lots and lots of information online for information. I think the most reliable place you can go to is babypips.com and do their Forex course. I think that's the best free education you can get. Do that and join my Discord and ask me any questions. The Baby Pips course takes a long time. It took me like 3 months, so yeah. Japanese dollar, what about the Japanese dollar? And yes, Bert Chop, lots of viewers today. Scrivy, thank you very much for following. About his trading, about my trading, join my Discord. Gold has blessed you, nice, good job. I don't trade gold, so yeah. Thoughts on more arm day? Come on, brother. Come on. You want some fucking arm day? You want some fucking arm day? I like arm day. I have a dedicated arm day. Do Ashton Hall morning routine and engage with the US in the morning. Fuck that. Do you only trade crypto? Nah, Forex and indices. Hey, darling. Oh, what up, Toby? How are you? I tried day trading once, made out even. Lucky. If you weren't very well versed in it, you got lucky. If you're new, you need to remove negative peps. Set up moderators to moderate your chat. Oh, do I? I don't know. I don't even know what the fuck you're talking about, to be honest. Forex, yep, Forex. Charts are on YouTube. If you want to jump on YouTube and fucking watch the charts. Can you sing Pink Pony Club? I don't know what the fuck that is. Mining company, big with lithium. Also have gold and stuff. I got 6K in. Nice. Do you do day trading? Yeah. Doing it for 4.5, 5 years. How much money did I make today? I actually haven't checked my trades today. I don't think I got out of anything today. I'm just going to check both my accounts, see if anything took profit. Because obviously most of my shit's automated, so a lot can get in and out without me even looking. So I'll see. But I am in a few trades. Oh yeah, I made 0.28% today. I'll take that. Do I have anything else that I can take off? Just small profits. I'm going to leave them in, but yes. So doing all right. Does it cost you money to enter and exit so often, or do you have no trading fees? Yeah, it costs money, but it's fuck all. And it depends if you have to stay in trades overnight, you get swap fees and shit like that. What was that site again? babypips.com. I'm studying economics and finance in uni, and technical analysis doesn't work. That's not necessarily correct, but you do need to be aware of fundamentals. But yeah, how much money are you making? Enough. Lamau, about 3 to 10, 7.5% a month. I don't know why the fuck I said that. Lamau, I saw 3 lives with charts just then. Bro, I literally just fucking triple texted TikTok because fucking they're just not replying to me now. And I'm like, what the fuck? Like, so annoying. What are the KFC secret herbs and spices? I don't know. I don't eat that shit. So hoping it hits $30, bought in at 10%. Oh, you were talking about that fucking mining company. Yeah, nice. $30, that's fucking from 10 cents. Holy shit. Anka, thank you very much for the 3 roses. I appreciate it. I'd like to try your bot. Does it work on MT5? Nah. I haven't even tried with MT5. I don't like MT5 at all. It's MT4 only. Do you recommend demo mode to start with? Absolutely. Always go demo. Always go demo immediately. Do not put your own money in. Do not put your own money in. You'll end up absolutely fucked and lose all your money. Aussie Notes, thank you very much for following me. How much would you trade for 8 pumpkins and a goat? Man, a goat in here would be pretty sick. Chilling on the fucking balcony. That'd be fucking dope. I don't know. How much a goat's worth? $1,000? Yeah, they haven't started mining yet, but they have drilled segments through it all, hoping this hits big. What company is it? It would be the goat. Fucking oath it would. What's good, everyone? What's good? How's everyone's fucking day today? Where are we all from, too? Is everyone just Aussie in here? TRCK, let me have a look. Track group? Man, that's crazy. I actually fucking, I worked for a company with the same name, but they went fucking bankrupt like 8 years ago. I'm pretty sure they owed me money or some shit. I got like an email from like a class action fucking lawsuit where they had to pay everybody. I don't know. I never looked at it. Sydney, Adelaide, mad. Have you made more from selling your course or thinking that candlesticks charts predict a stock? I'm guessing that's a little dig at me, which is fine. I make dick. I can probably buy some groceries with the money that I make from my course. It's so cheap that I've made it so cheap that I literally make nothing from it. So, yeah. Trading, yes, that's where I get my money from. Sydney and Adelaide, fuck yeah. I put it in earlier, but it doesn't let me put it in. Oh, that's weird. From Penisland, fuck yeah. Do you have a license to give out trading advice? Nope. That's why I say none of this is advice. It's my opinion only, and everyone should consult a licensed professional before making any financial decisions. IPEN 979, thank you very much for following me. Okay. Do you have a funded? That's a secret that I'm going to reveal soon. Yeah, dude. Doing a raffle tonight. What up, Caitlin? No, I don't think so. I don't think there's any raffles tonight. We had one last night. Do you work at all or just trade? I just trade. I don't have a job. If you can predict the way stock moves, why would you sell it? Wouldn't you keep it to yourself? What? I don't even trade stocks. It's Trek Metals. Oh, okay. I don't see that. Oh, they're on the ASX. Holy shit, that had a big boom. Fuck, not bad. Nice. How do I get the buzz? How do I get the huzz? What do you trade? Forex and indices. I'm not trading indices at this very second, though. But I canned that about a week and a half ago. I'm just not liking how the market's moving at the moment on the index funds, and sometimes you got to sit down from some strategies. So I'm just doing that at the moment. It kept declining my sends earlier. That's fucked. I predict that the stock market will be up from today in 50 years. Probably, yeah. Hey, how are you? I'm good, Zai. How are you? What do you trade? I answered that. Ask anything. How much do you make monthly? Around about 7.5% of my account size. Can't talk dollar figures. I have to explain this all the time. I got in trouble for doing that. Last month I did 21.22%, I believe, which was a huge month. It's not what happens all the time. It was just a lot of movement, a lot of good trades. Does not happen all the time. Thoughts on gold? I don't know. Long. It's just a trending instrument, so long, always long term. Short term, I don't know. I don't trade gold, and I don't know how gold moves, so I don't want to give you any insight into something that I've got no idea about. It's just something that I don't trade and I got no knowledge on. So yeah, sorry about that. Forex, how much money is in your funded? I trade personal accounts. Ask anything. Oh, right, yeah, sorry. Bro, I need a huzz. What the fuck are you talking about? I don't even know what that is. So it's only 52 cents because they haven't started mining it yet. When they do, it should go up a lot. Yeah, absolutely. Ideas on Fubo? I don't know what that is. Stock. No idea. Sorry, mate. Oh, shit. Karateka. Aya, thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that a lot. Casino's been empty since trading became popular. I don't know if that's true. Can you give us a range of the amount in your funded? No, because you're just here to talk shit. But I got, before that big jump, was going to sell when it went back up, decided not to. Probably a smart move. I mean, depends how you're trading it. But yeah, if you're just long term, just leave it. Gold is pretty. I want a gold necklace. Yeah. I used to have lots of gold shit, but I got rid of it. Do live in Australia? Yep, Brisbane. What do you trade and what indicators? I don't give away my indicators and everything that I use because that's all programmed into my bot and people just steal it. But I use a version of dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, and martingale that I've programmed into my expert advisor, and it takes trades for me. And I'll sometimes intervene depending on what's going on in the market, and I will change TPs and shit like that. But I trade Forex and indices. The indices I'm not really trading at the moment though, as of a couple of weeks ago. Any tips for beginners? Focus on learning, always go demo. Always go demo. Until you're profitable. Is ComSec worth investing in? Yeah. The girl. What? I'm on 16, should I hit or stand? Stand. Actually, no, fuck it, hit. How do I get the girl? Get ripped. Become wealthy. What do you specialize in? Automation and Forex, I guess. Tell me the truth, how much did you lose? The fuck? How long have you been creating content? Because I love it. Thank you, I appreciate that a lot. 2-3 months. I'm pretty new, so I'm not very good at all this shit, just starting out. Should I gamble all my money? No. So I can buy a beer. I need more beer. Jesus, I'm on 16. Jesus. I had an alright experience with them, but the brokerage fee is a lot. What the fuck are you talking about? Little voodoo man. Oh. Right, yeah. Explain indices, please, mate. Newbie. An index fund is just a collection of a shitload of stocks, essentially. I got a lot of comments to go through, sorry. I can't go in too much depth. I need more beer. I switched to Superhero because the fee is only $2 per trade. Fair enough. Should I gamble on my money? No. Is day trading actually worth it in terms of the life-changing lifestyle? You're not going to be doing the shit that you see on fucking Instagram and shit, I'll tell you that much. Not for a while, at least. But it can be. The thing that trading is the best for is not having to wake up and go to a job. You know, Sunday night comes around and you know, it's the anxiety of having to fucking get up and go to your job for the entire week and then wait till Friday, and it's like just shit. That's what day trading is for me, is because fucking I don't have to do that shit ever again. I pulled the Green Ninja from what? Okay. What? Wait, what? Okay. I agree with the beer bloke. Are you planning on creating a community? I've created a community, yeah. The links are in my bio. So I've got the paid community where I've got my bot, like, because I use a trading bot, I've developed my own bot that I use to trade, and it's the same strategy that I've been using forever. So they get the bot, the one-on-ones, the course content, all that shit, you know. But I've got a free community as well that you can join. It's in the bio. Just when you click on the link tree, you'll have to hit the 3 dots up the top and open it in an external browser, because TikTok's fucked and I don't know, just doesn't let you do it. Mate, it's beer, yeah. How long have you been trading for? 4.5, almost 5 years in between there. Should I get into trading to buy beer? Yes. Why'd you become a day trader instead of a night trader? Did you have any advice on creating bots, best sites, wanting to make one to complete tasks at work? It's completely different. Completely different. I wouldn't have a fucking clue on completing tasks at work. Zero clue. The thing on Instagram is called selling a course. Exactly. Yeah, it's where they make all their money from. I literally I've calculated it to, I've paid myself about 40 cents an hour for all that shit, for everything that I have available. So it's like, it's literally nothing. I literally get paid nothing. So yeah, this is where my money comes from. I don't really have that problem. I like working. I like having a routine. I like work, and that's fine. That is completely fine. If you like that shit, you can stay doing that. It's just not for me, and it's not for a lot of other people. But again, a lot of other people don't want to sit in one spot doing the same fucking thing, staring at a computer. So it's subjective to every person. Thoughts on Min Hoo Lee? I don't know. I don't know what that is. Oh shit. Can you share who is your broker? Yeah, Black Bull Markets. The link's in my bio. I don't think it is on TikTok, but it is on YouTube. If you want to support me, you can do that shit. I don't even think I get paid like anything for that. So yeah, there is a affiliate link, but yeah, they're the best for Australian traders, at least. I don't know about other countries, but Aussie traders, it's just the best broker you can choose, highest leverage, without having some sketchy offshore broker. They're pretty well known. I don't know what I'd do if I didn't work. Well, I work for like 14 to 16 hours a day, but it's just not, and I still have a routine. But yeah, what up, Xander? How are you? How you feeling, bro? I haven't seen you in a while. Is everything all right? How long before you became profitable? About 2 years, year and a half to 2 years. Isn't the time zones for trading here kind of bad in Australia, like for gold, S&P 500, etc.? Yeah, that's why I'm fucking drinking this shit. Are you ticklish? Yep. It's like the bitchest thing ever for me to say. Saeed Javid Hussein, thank you very much for the rose, bro. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate all the gifts and everything. I am new, so I appreciate that a lot. It opens like at 3 a.m. Nah, 11:30 at the moment. It was 12:30 p.m. a.m., but it just changed to 11:30 p.m. He's technically a night trader when he... Sorry, I get those comments all the time. Should I trust any broker? Absolutely fucking not. Absolutely not. I've been with almost every large broker. And that just for Aussies, you get good leverage with Black Bull Markets, and they're extremely reputable, and they are regulated with the FMA, which is tier 1 regulation. And the thing with this shit as well, right? Me piping up fucking Black Bull, I was never affiliated with them until like 2 weeks ago. And I've been using them for a very long time. Do the curtains match the drapes? Absolutely. What trends have occurred in gold this year? I don't know. Long. I don't trade gold. It's just been upwards trending. I think there was a little dip and then back up. How much you lost in total? Be honest. I've had 2 losing months ever, and they were like under 5%. One was the Ukraine-Russia war, and the other one I can't remember. I think it was just a shit month. Can you play a song by... Too quick with it. What's your YouTube? It should be, I don't know, somewhere there. Tom_trades1 with a Z. Assalamu alaikum. I don't know. Assalamu alaikum, brother. I don't know. Sorry if that was disrespectful. Everything is alright. Got the root canal yesterday. It hurt like hell. Fuck, bro. That's rough. Hope you're doing alright, but I was thinking about you and I was like, bro, has he fucking died? Like, where is Xander? But that's good to hear that you're alive. And how are you feeling now? What's your next content plans? I have no idea. I'm not too good at the whole content shit, but I got no idea. It's all what everybody else wants to see, you know? So if anyone has thoughts, let me know. Happy to have a look and make some content on for people. I get lots of like people asking me in my community, like the mentorship to make videos on this and that and this and that. So I do that mostly. A lot of the content goes into the mentorship besides like all this stuff, because, you know, I got to spend more time on them because they pay for it. Do you trade Forex? Yep. Yeah. Thoughts on 24-hour stock exchange? On a 24-hour stock exchange? What do you mean by that? Like 24/7? Aiden, thank you very much for following me. Are you in Miami? Nah, Brisbane. I wouldn't even want to live in Miami. Fuck that. Probably need 2 extra root canals. Rough. I think he's in Europe. Brisbane, Australia. I'll get a call from the hospital later. Fucking hell. You're going through it, eh? Got to lay off the darts. Holla from one Mexican tradesman to an Australian tradesman. What up, Mexico? That's fucking cool. I love hearing from people from around the world. Although when I get on, like I go live twice a day, and when I get on an like around New York session, the fucking absolute monkeys that come in and just say the weirdest shit. It's actually like, I have like fucking aneurysms every time. The shit that they say. It's like, what are you even talking about? But yeah, welcome. How's Mexico? Need to go to the specialized doctor for the other sickness. Fuck. Not good. Yeah, what were you saying? Caratina? I don't know. I don't think it would work that well, to be honest. And people would have to work all the time too. Yeah, fuck that. I don't think that would work. It's probably a reason why it's not around. Leon, thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that. Or Lion, Lion, however you pronounce it. Do you think Nvidia will drop today? I've got fucking no idea. Zero clue. I don't trade stocks and I don't trade Nvidia. Sorry, Lance. You are a day trader, but in reality. Maybe 3 or 4 root canals in my front teeth. Fucking Jesus, that's rough. It's crazy. Do you use a trading robot? Yep, developed it myself. It is available for everyone in my mentorship. Mentorship's linked to my bio if you want to join it. If not, who gives a shit? I don't care. Mirror on the wall. Am I the prettiest ginger of them all? I fucking think so. How old are you? 26. Holding or trading? What do you prefer better? Trading. Yeah, this is going to cost me lots of money. Yeah, fuck yeah. What's the healthcare like over there? XRP up, down? Probably down for now. Very well over here. I do framing and yeah, how typical. Yeah, that's mad. Good job. I respect the hard work. I respect the hard work. That shit would be tough. What's your gender? X. Did you code it yourself or what? Yes. My Mr. Pretty Boy, thank you. Pretty good. Still need to pay like 2K, I think. Fuck that. Absolutely fuck that. We had lots of people join today. I feel good because I thought TikTok, because I kept getting suspended constantly, fucking all the time. It's C++, but it's MQL4 language. English, I think. Fuck. I should have responded with that. What are your pronouns? Get the fuck out of here. Actually, I feel like it was you. Oh, somebody asked me this last time, and I said it, and then I got suspended. It might have been you, so I'm not going to say anything. What do you think about GBP this year? See what happens. Yes. The way I did it was not the best way, but essentially yes. I trade with charts, yeah. Dry. Jackson. Nah. We don't talk shit to Xander. He's the fucking... He's a good bloke. So get the fuck out of here. My pronouns are Tesla Cybertruck. Fuck yeah, we love that. We absolutely love that. But Aiden, if you think I'm full of shit, because you keep, I don't know, I feel like you're trying to like fizzle out like some shit out of me, go look at my YouTube videos. You can see like all the results. Jackson, thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that. What's up, Cobra? How are we? Can money save looks? Yes. Apparently not. Look at this fucking guy. Are you locked in? I'm locked the fuck in. I'm locked the fuck in. You have no idea how locked the fuck in I am. Oscar, thank you very much for following me. I need to go. Righto, bro. Take it easy, man. It's good to see you again. I'll take you with me. No, we're having a good stream today. It's been pretty good. I need more caffeine though. Even though I literally just finished an energy drink. And then now I'm finishing another one. I got some locked in pills. Fuck yeah. 125 milligrams caffeine. Nah, this is shit. 150. 151. What are you trading right now? New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Charts are in front of me on YouTube. And I'm in a trade. But I'm in heaps of fucking trades. What do you mean, Scott? You haven't fucking said a single question. Bro, literally look at YouTube. I'm going through everything. You've not said a single question. There is nothing there. I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. Like what? Thoughts on supply and demand with liquidity and break of structure. What? I don't know what you want me to... Thoughts? Good? Fuck. Like, what? Did you cap crypto move just now? No, I don't trade crypto. What move? On what chart? Oh, shit. XRP just popped. Why? Let's have a look. What the fuck? Did everything pop? Everything popped. I have no idea why everything popped. Maybe you guys have some insight? How to get into trading. Do the Baby Pips course and join my Discord and ask me any questions you want. Any questions. I also have a 1 hour video on the absolute basics. Can you make me a millionaire from 20k? Maybe. Friend of me asked me to teach him. I told him to look at YouTube videos. Yeah. Broke resistance. Oh, Solana. Did it? I mean, I don't even know where to look at Solana. TradingView maybe? Does TradingView have Solana? Because I don't have it on MT4. And I fucking hate TradingView. Oh, it's daily. I was like, hello? What fucking... Damn. Everything popped. Solana popped like crazy. Holy shit. There is nothing. I'm looking at all the news. There's nothing to make it pop like that. Oh, it was a couple of hours ago. What's the time? 6:40. Oh shit. I cannot see anything. Like, nothing that would make that big of a move. I don't know. I guess it's not that big. Like, we get moves like that a lot. Is ETH tanking? No. No, it's just probably just profit moves from that. I guess we just filled the gap on ETH. So, we could see a push back down. Or a continuation. We'll see. We'll just have to see. Fucking no idea. I usually trade days for weeks. Thoughts? What? Trump's news maybe about the tariffs, etc. I can't see anything about tariffs. I literally can't see anything about tariffs. Why is ETH tanking? Overall it is because no one wants to buy fucking crypto. Go on CoinMarketCap. Yeah, I just was. But, yeah, TradingView, everything. I fucking hate TradingView. It's because Trump announced his balls were itchy. S&P 6900, fuck yeah. I told him to watch the videos and he could ask me questions, but he never watched the videos. What videos? Soul is pumping. Yeah, it is. Fucking hell. It's going crazy. Now he's mad I don't want to teach him. Well, I mean, if he's not listening to your advice, then fuck him. ETH tanking. Oh, right. Yeah, I was going to say it's long term it is, but right now it's pumping. Are you sure it's daytime? Looks like no. Buy now before it's too late. Recently, bro, it's been on the 3K. Yeah. Your views on dictators, smart people, usually. But, I don't know. Depends. Scary people too. A small app's good for starting off. Are they legit? No. Well, I mean, why not go for the big ones? Big reputable ones. Most money earned in one day. There's not really. I don't know one day because a lot of my trades can go from days to weeks. But it was a US dollar yen trade in the October 2023 intervention. I like pretty much full ported one of my fun accounts and made like meme coin money on it. It was fucked. So yeah, look at Soul Chart on now. You can see it coming. Probably, how do I make $1 billion in a week so I can pay for more packs? How much money do you start with when you first started day trades? 20K. It was a 20K account, but I'd been demo for 2 years before that, so I was pretty confident. I would not recommend that to everyone. Is this pre-recorded? No. Sorry, I'm just a bit... Bruh, did you used to work in Banyo? Yeah. What the fuck? Who are you? Wait, what? Dude, literally no one knew me there. How the fuck do you know me? Literally fucking no one knew me. I like pretty much worked by myself the entire time. Pre-recorded. Sure it's pre-recorded. It's not. That's also what I told him. First show me you were locked in, then I'll teach you exactly. He never watched a video about trading in 2 months. Yeah. How much are you working with in terms of your rig? What? What do you trade on? MT4. Blue followed me. Thank you very much, Blue. Appreciate that. I appreciate all the follows and everything and the likes today. I'm small and TikTok has not been pumping my shit at all because they hate me and they keep suspending me. So thank you all for showing me some love today. I appreciate that. What up, Rock? Donald Bernard. 6.5K was the most I made. It's good job. Please share gold analysis current. Man, I don't trade gold and I don't know how it reacts to shit. I just go, I mean, long term, long. Like it's just, but man, I don't know. Go hit up Daniel Holmes. He's the gold guy. What up, Sleepy? What's good? What age did you start full-time trading? 20, it was about a year ago, 24. He's got friends in low places. You talking to me? How long did you trade for and what time? What do you mean, what time? How long did I trade for and what time? What is MT4? MetaTrader 4. It's a program. You're not a day trader. It's clearly not. Why are you so angry, bro? If you think this is angry, shit. How long are you trading and since when you profitable? 4.5 to 5 years. And since when I was profitable, about 2.5 to 3 years ago, I was profitable. If that's what you're asking, it took me about 2 years though. What do you do before trading? Smoke a dart, go to the gym. I don't know. Are you from Compton? Yep. What job did you have before trading? I had heaps of jobs. I hated working. Hated it. I worked in construction. I ran a few warehouses. I worked sales. I did business to business sales. I also did B2C sales. Yeah, I did lots of shit. I hated it. Was it 20K your own money? Yeah. PQSIDYN. Thank you very much for following me. If you were successful at trading, you wouldn't be live streaming on TikTok. Absolutely. You're so right. You're so right. What am I doing? What am I doing? You're so right. There's no such thing as building a personal brand. You're so right. You're so correct, Billy Bob. Oh my God. You're so right. Go watch my YouTube video. It literally shows results of my bot working on full automation, being profitable. Like, I don't know how much more. It's not that fucking hard. Like, it's just not that hard. If you don't know what the fuck you're doing, it's hard. But once you know what you're doing, it's really not that hard. What are you in on right now? I'm in heaps of shit. Let's have a look. Euro odd, pound CAD, pound US dollar, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, pound New Zealand, Euro New Zealand, New Zealand dollar Swiss, Aussie dollar yen, New Zealand dollar yen, US dollar CAD, New Zealand dollar USD. But these are, I'm finishing up the yen and the Swiss pairs. Once they're closed out, I won't be trading them anymore, so I'll be trading a lot less pairs. As in, do you trade London session, New York, just whenever? Well, with my Forex strategy, it's just whenever. But with my indices strategy, I'll be on for London and New York. But I haven't done that for about 2 weeks. But I was doing that for a few years as well. What brand do you smoke? Depends. I don't want to say the name. I don't want to get suspended. I'm on my last warning, so. I'm going to trade it for 1440. Is that what you use? 1440. I don't know what that is. Is that the build number? Yeah, 1440. Yeah. But you download it through your broker. So you need a broker. You need to get a demo account and then download it through your broker. Hit me up on Discord, Anthony, and I'll walk you through some shit. Where are you actually from? Well, my family is Scottish and then Lebanese. Where are you currently? At home? Why don't you do e-commerce? I have done e-commerce. Why would you need to make a personal brand if you're making coin? Bro, this is the dumbest shit I've ever heard. Sounds from Oz. Yep. Do you like chicken? Yeah, it's alright. Slow cooked. Slow cooked. Yeah, okay, I think I sent you a message. Let me check. Oh, fuck, Discord's not even open. No message so far. Oh, yeah, you did. Yep. In the profit section. I'll DM you or you can DM me. Whatever. Holy shit. Holy fuck, I literally have 6 trillion fucking notifications. Give me 1 second. Holy fuck. What the actual fuck? Hold up, guys. I just got to reply to some of these. Fucking hell. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. Yeah, we're good. My dear brother, I blew my account today. Shit. That's not good, man. What happened? What happened? Could you please suggest a guide book to get started day trading? I joined my Discord for starters. I have a 1 hour free video on the complete basics. It's in my Discord. Watch that. You don't need to join the mentorship yet. I'm not asking for money. Go to the free Discord. Watch the video. Go to the babypips.com Forex course. Go through that. You don't have to go through all of it. It took me literally 3 months to do, but the best free ways to get started. And just message me whenever the fuck you want. I'm literally in front of my computer for 16 hours a day, helping people out and shit, so, and trading. So, yeah. Message me, whatever, and I'll give you a hand. What's the best gaming setup for day trading? Fuck yeah, David. It's good. Excuse me, what the fuck is a day trader? Politely. No, you're good, Katie. It's people speculating on the market. It can be lots of different things. You can be trading index funds, stocks, currencies, commodities, lots of different shit. Google it. I want to go sleep when I wake up. I'm hoping gold 31.50. Yes, I'm delusional. You'd be breaking all-time highs. It's not impossible. How does one even blow an account? It's really easy. It's really not that hard. If you leverage way too much and you put on like a 2-lot trade on a fucking $100 account, actually you probably wouldn't be able to do that, but you know what I mean? And it just fucking tanks, you're cooked. Geordie, thank you very much for following me. Thank you for letting me know. I have no idea what it is, but I see it, everyone. No worries, Katie. Have you bought any XRP? Yeah, long time ago. And Bitcoin too. What leverage to use? 1 to 500 for Forex and 1 to 100 for indices. How long did it take you till you started making money? 2 years. Risk 5%. Yeah. Blew a 500K account a few days ago. I feel super good right now. This looks, 19 floors up looks pretty good right now after that shit. Do you not use stop losses? I don't. Nope. But I'm only risking 0.1% or 0.25 depending. So fuck all, literally fuck all. And then I scale in. Melton, thank you very much for following me. Sure, bud. Ed. I mean, he might have. What did you do if you blow a funder? Do you have to pay anything? Nah, it's all virtual money. I blew a lot of accounts. Shit, that's rough. Baxter, what's good? How are ya? Hold up, it's fucking freezing in here. Sorry, fucking so cold. I've been good, how are you? What do you mean you've been wigging out? The fuck? Spent too much time on the glass Barbie, eh? I've never blown an account. How much capital do you need to be living off your income as a day trader? Well, the average profitable day trader makes between 3 and 10% of their account. So, you know, if you've got a $100,000 account, on average, you'll be making between 3 to 10K a month. Blokes renting a below average apartment with a window. Success, Lamau. I do not want to be one of those, like, I don't want you to be one of the people that I have to ban. You'll be the 4th person, but yeah. If you're just going to come in here and talk shit, you can leave. Like, I don't know why you've been in here for so long. Let's see your apartment. Let's see where you live. Actually, yeah, where do you live? Do you live in, like, what city? Crypto is so hard without a backing. Which city are you in? Brisbane. Can't complain, brother. Made 60 sol today. Nice. Bro's on gear hard, bro. What, me? Bro's banned from trading. It's not day anymore. What up, Benny? Chama, how are ya? I've been good, bro. Just lost too much, brother. I've been geeking the fuck out. Recovered on the weekend, though. Oh, yeah, you and Ed are together, eh? Thoughts on spending every payout on Glass Barbie? Yes. Can't ban the truth. Bro, what are you even talking about? Where do you live? Where do you live? What do you mean ban the truth? Go watch my YouTube videos. Really, like, go watch on full auto. I run full automatic tests with my bot. I do not touch it. Do not touch it. And it comes out with like thousands of profitable results with different parameters. Like, what the fuck? It's right there. What do you, like, what more do you want? FTMO top step. I don't really trade fundeds, but probably FTMO. Let's go, Tommy. What up, Hooper? Back with the white pants. Yeah. Gonna finance a Ranger if you want. Can you PayPal me $20? Nah, sorry, brother. You trade gold? Nah. Daniel Holmes is the guy for that. I'm broke, got 10K in XRP and XLM. What would be your best advice if you were instead of me? Probably pull the 10K out, to be honest. I don't know. This is not financial advice. My opinion only. Yeah. Smokey, thank you very much. If you don't trade lives, you're probably financially stressed. Do you understand? Don't duck me, brother. I thought we were closer. What the fuck are you guys talking about? What? Why is everything going up right now? Did I miss some news? I don't know. I actually don't know. I was thinking that too. Like, someone commented and... Hold up. Give me one sec. Someone commented and I tried to go through the news, but there was nothing. And I don't know if you're talking about me, but I literally am live on YouTube. I'm in a trade. It's right in front of me. Now I really got to go, yeah, fuck, you've been here for ages then. And get out of here. Thanks, bro. All good, whatever I said to you. Yeah, I'd probably pull it out. If you got to pay bills and shit, pull it out. See you later, Xander. Thank you. I appreciate the pretty Aussie boy comment. Quant trading will take over retail soon. Probably, yeah. But it's calm. We back, baby. Today was good. Very good. Do you understand? Bro, no. I don't know what the fuck you guys are going on about. April Fool that everything's going up. Yeah, it is. It is, yeah. They're taking the piss. All the banks and institutions are like, let's buy it. Let's buy. And then they fucking... and then they're like, jokes. Hit the button. Take everyone's money. Who added me? Is that understood? Bro, you guys are tripping. Thoughts on the XRP price expectations for the end of this year? If I knew, I'd be putting everything on. No fucking clue. It'll probably be a bit higher than what it is now, but I don't know. Fucking zero clue. No one knows. All right, relax. Nah, bro, we're just geeking out. I've actually lost a lot on Axiom. I don't know what the fuck that is. I don't know what that is. Can't be tired yet, bro. You've got a whole night ahead of you. I know. It's gonna be fucking... meme coin trading site, brother. Alright, yeah. Damn, holster those guns, boy. Alright, yeah. I was like, what the fuck? Yeah. You're still in here? Yeah, man. I didn't sleep much last night. So, I am a bit tired, but... Screenshot that one, post it in the Discord. Nah, I don't touch that shit. Aiden. Should I get Bitcoin? Not the worst idea. It's fucking... You'd be buying at a discount. What's it looking like today? It's looking like we're about to make some money. If you're looking at YouTube, we're about to hit TP. I might even take that off now. We're very close to TP. Very, very close. Very close to TP on New Zealand or US dollar. So I'm not opposed to that. What's my other account looking like? We're about to hit TP. Fuck yeah. God, I'll be in and out of that quick. We take it. We take it. We take it. How much to start? Depends. Really depends. That's subjective to everyone. Do you reckon Bitcoin will go to 1 million in the future? Probably not. Do you do live trades on YouTube? Yeah. I mean, I don't get in and out of the trades, but you can look at whatever trades I'm in. I don't care. And it's up in front of me on YouTube, the charts, with the trade that I got into, or my bot got into, and we're pretty close to TP. But I'll just let it run. And if it goes down, who gives a shit? I'll scale in. How long have you been trading for? 4.5 to 5 years. What's profit, brother? 0.25%. Aiden followed me. Thank you. Nothing like phone calls from QPS because we are actively flooding part of a main road plus car park. Bro, what the fuck are you going on about? Yeah, put all your money in trust. Absolutely don't do that. I heard the water in Australia is like $5. That's crazy. What? Like a bottle of water? How much is your TP? What do you mean? I can't talk about dollar figures. Sorry. We are a major retail centre, but yes, we thought of the bill scares me. The thought of the bill scares me. Bill Sana followed me. Thank you very much. Brenty Boy followed me. Thank you very much. Are you a full-time trader? Yeah. I only just got on social media and shit, but doing this shit for a long time. You'll take profit like 5K. Jesus Christ. 0.25% of my account, 5K. Are you on drugs? What would that even be? That'd be like a fucking $2.5 million account. Yeah? Is that right? Yeah. Yeah, but my trades are based off of account percentage. So it's 0.25 of account balance. It doesn't matter if I have leverage. Still based off of account percentage. Otherwise I'd be cooked, you know? Yeah, I mean, brother. What, you trade Forex? Yeah. Where you located, my guy? Brisbane. Are you in a trade right now? Yeah, go look at fucking YouTube. I'm in shitloads of trades. Oh, okay, so your target is 0.25% per day. Well, 0.5% a day is 10% a month. So, and I average around 7.5% a month. So, you know, anywhere in between 0.25 to 0.5% I'm happy with. But all my trades are they're not always 0.25%, because if I'm in multiple different trades, if I've scaled into a position, which is what I do, I use dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, and martingale, it's not going to be 0.25% of the account. If I scale into a position, then it will be whatever I set the thing to. Hi guys, sorry if you're on YouTube, I apologize, I didn't see these. 100x or leverage accounts. What do you mean by that? Segment swing. What? This is cool to see. Cool Warlock. Hi Tom, you kick ass. Keep up the good work. Thank you, Tyson. I appreciate that a lot. Fucking hell. That's a really nice message. I very much appreciate that. Elkie, thank you very much for following me. Are you related to Will Gibb? Yeah, he's my twin. Or per trade. 7.5% per month is really good. Yeah, well, the average profitable day trader statistically makes between 3 and 10% a month. So I'm kind of smack bang in the middle. Could you give advice on Bitcoin? None of what I say is advice. It's my opinion only. But yeah, it's fucking, I don't know, buy it, discount, never mind, it's worse, $275. What the fuck are you talking about, tax man? Any advice for new traders? Be careful who you learn from. Be very careful of who you learn from. I'm too scared to do day trade. I just hold and make average 20% per year. I mean, it's not the worst. That's pretty good. Like 20% a year is pretty fucking good. On average, the S&P 500 has made 6.37% per year. That's adjusted for inflation since 1957. So 20% a year is pretty good. Opinions on TJR? I get that question a lot. I don't particularly know how he trades. I've seen a couple of videos and I'm like, bro, this is so unbelievably complicated. It's fucked. Like, why is this so complicated? Most of this shit makes like zero fucking sense and doesn't work. But I haven't looked too deep into him. And the thing that pisses me off about him is he rug pulled his entire community multiple fucking times. That's not good. Sorry, father was talking with someone about work in the live comments. All good, son. You still not considering XRP? I got some XRP, but I got no interest in crypto right now. Do you think he's full of crap? I don't know. You know, there was a whole thing with his prop firm and shit. Sus. Blamed it all on someone else. Sus. I don't know. So yeah. Gold to 3,200. Probably, yeah, eventually. I think it'll go a lot higher than that, but much less than 7.5% per month. That's really good. I want to learn. Yeah, sure. I mean, you got the Discord. Links in my bio. If you want one-on-one mentorship and shit like that, that link's also in my bio. So join it if you want and ask me any questions, whatever. I'm an open book. How much is your course? $47 a month. It's literally the cheapest I could make it before. Like, I just don't want to rip people off. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like the people that charge hundreds of dollars for their fucking courses and thousands, it's just bullshit. So, $47 a month. You get the bot too, which is valued at, you know, people sell those fucking things for hundreds, thousands of dollars. You join, you get it for life. So, yeah. I feel like there's a lot of value in there, and I don't charge for one-on-one calls and shit. Like, if you want to get in a fucking call with me, I'll be there for hours, talking to you, helping you, doing whatever. So, yeah. Course good for beginners. I would recommend not jumping in straight away, no. I've got my free course. Like my free, is it a course? It's just the absolute basics of trading for beginners. I guess you could do it because then you get access to talking to me one-on-one and we can tailor that shit to you. Like for the very basics and shit like that. That's completely fine actually, yeah. There's beginners in there. So you could do it. But it would be good to have like a little understanding of what's going on. And then, yeah. It's up to you, but. Back when? Followed. Thank you very much. What platform do you use to day trade and for your bot? MT4. It's only available on MT4. MT5 is dog shit. So, yeah. Heard, say no more. But how many people are in your course? Fuck all. Like, so I don't even know, like 10. Not many. Which is good. I actually kind of like it like that because I can tailor it. You know, under 50 is good because I can tailor shit to them and spend a little bit more time on everybody and all that shit. So keeping it under 50 is good. Probably when I get a little bit bigger, I might have to do like a waiting list or some shit because that's mad. Yeah, so you can't want to. Exactly. I can't have, like I was on one-on-one a few days ago and I was on it for 3 fucking hours. You know what I mean? And I don't charge anything for that shit. So as long as you're in there, you get access to that shit and you can just talk to me, ask me whatever the fuck you want. We can screen share, go through a bunch of shit. So yeah, I kind of like that it's a bit smaller at the moment. And I probably won't ever be able to go over 50. Just so I can provide good value. You know what I mean? It's not going to pay me fuck all, but it doesn't need to pay me that much, you know? It's just so I can continue to do everything. It's night time. And you're day trading. Thoughts on WM41, CM Punk versus SETG versus OTC. What, bro? Hey, bro, what up, Graham? How are you? How do you size positions based on market microstructure? My position sizes are based off of account balance. Do you have a wife? No. Those nighttime day trading comments must start to piss you off. Oh, right. It's just like, you know, if it was every now and again, it'd be funny, but like 10 times a fucking day, it's like, come on, bro. Something, come up with an original joke. The Will Gibb one, it's like, okay, yeah, whatever. Ha ha ha. The fucking, it's just, I don't know. It's like, come up with something fucking funny that I can laugh at. Not, oh, it's the night time, man, day trader. Salam alaikum, salam alaikum. I don't know. Sorry if I'm being disrespectful. Bro's just saying buzzwords. Yeah, I don't even fucking, I was just like, what? So people come in here and do that a lot. They come in here and they're like, fucking, with this liquidity provider proves the break of structure to this point of reference on this time frame with the 1 second chart. You must account for this. Why? What are your thoughts on that? And it's like, it's like, bro, are you just like trying to get me to like look dumb or some shit? Like, it's like so clear that they've used like ChatGPT to ask me questions. Yeah, sorry, triply Roblox. I got a girlfriend, but no wife. By father. Oh, see you later, taxman. I'm off to bullshit my way through a radicalism and political extremism class. Please. Oh. Good luck, bro. Good luck. Smash it out. How do I start? Lots of ways you can start. Join my Discord. Discord's free. Links in my bio. Ask me questions. There's a free 1 hour video on the complete basics. Also go through the Baby Pips course. It's free. Yeah. How do you account for a liquid? Yeah, see, this is the shit I'm talking about. Like, what do you even mean? How do I account for liquidity and volatility? Like, what? You explain that further. Why I should account for liquidity and volatility when what? When I'm putting in a position? Like my position sides? Like, what the actual fuck? Do you trade gold? No, I don't. Sorry, blessed. Daniel Holmes for gold. He'll look after you. I have a question. Where are you at? Brisbane. It means peace be upon you. I say it to everyone, Muslims, Jewish, Christians. Oh, cool. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Peace be upon you too, brother. Thank you. Could a three-dimensional frequency table be used to display more complex data set? Could a three-dimensional frequency table, ChatGPT, to display more complex data sets? It's just like, come on. Are you at Las Vegas? No. How do you account for liquid? Oh, what the fuck? If the market gets liquid or volatile, do you adjust your position sizing? No, why would I? KGM Anderson, that's me. Are you at Las Vegas? Brisbane. Why can't I ask my questions about physics? It deletes it? Does it? What's a day trader, boy? Why you call me fucking boy? Valeria 67, thank you very much for following me. I don't know why it's not. I don't have any like chat filters or anything. I shouldn't. I had to fucking, I had to turn them off. There's no keyword fillers. There's no potential spam or anything. There's nothing. You can say anything, anytime, unless TikTok like bans it or some shit. Then you can say it. Can F equal MA become A equals divide F by M? Yes, it can equal that. I'm going to go, see you later, bro. Have a good one. Thanks for tuning in. So how are the trades yesterday doing? How do you decide when to exit a winning trade? That's a good question. See, that's a bit better. That's a bit better. Well, it depends. I use a lot of, it depends what's going on in, shit, sorry, I just had to check YouTube. It depends what's going on in the market, right? So if we've got some big, inflation figures or fucking, non-farm payroll, something big coming out, and I'm sitting in profit and I'm close to my take profit levels, I will usually exit. Depending how much profit we're in. Like if we're close, I'm just not going to risk it, right? And I'll take the profit. My bot takes a lot of my trades. If I'm in a singular trade, it will take profit 90% of the time. Unless there's something like a major support and resistance level, and obviously there's going to be lots of limit orders pending, I'll set it to there, which I've just done on this trade on New Zealand dollar, US dollar, which I'm in a single trade. There's support and resistance there. Just leave it there. Sometimes I take off, I leave multiple trades on as well, but most of the time it's, I'll use fair value gaps and support and resistance to pick what levels we're going to be at. That's pretty much it. It's pretty standard. But I stay up to date with all fundamentals. How to find ME? I don't know. Do you even make profit? No. Never have. How to find M.E? Do you account for sticky, itchy balls when trading? No, I don't. And I need to start just in case it fucks with my psychology. What strategies do you use to manage risk during a day of trading? Well, the thing is I've programmed my bot to do the risk management for me. So the only risk management that I'll have to do ever is sometimes do drawdown control. So because I use a dollar cost averaging martingale and mean reversion strategy, if we're in very large squeezes in the market, what can happen is, so I'll get in here, 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 and then I can be sitting in a little bit of drawdown. What I can do is if I'm expecting a little bit more of a squeeze, maybe once I'm in a few positions, I can start taking off 30% of a position size, 30% of a position size, 30% of a position size as we move up to mitigate my losses, and then still wait for a pullback, because Forex usually reverts back to its means. That's why 70% of the time you're stuck in a range and 30% of the time it's trending. Sometimes it's going to trade, but the majority of the time it's going to be stuck in a range going from support and resistance and coming back to around about its mean where it's happy trading. So shit like that. Scaling out of a position if we're getting in a little bit too much drawdown. I'm planning to become a civil engineer. Should I? Yes. Big money. Do you apply lotion while trading? Gat sniffer, what the fuck? Every time I close a trade with profit, it seems to go my way more. Any tips? If you've set your TP levels, who gives a shit? If you've got an edge in the market, who gives a shit? Take out where you think the market. I mean, that's really hard. That's really hard to. It's all down to psychology. If you've set a level, if you think that it's going to go there, there's a reason you think it's going to go there. Leave it. Who cares if it keeps going? A lot of my trades keep going. It's the what if, which is what will kill you in trading. If you're in profit, happy days. Is the coin flip strat valid? I mean, man, you legitimately can do that. You can. That's the thing with trading is it is 50-50. You have zero clue which way the market's going to go, right? So if you can flip a coin, it's not always going to be that good. Obviously, you do want some sort of Jesus Christ, what's the fucking word? Confirmation. Holy shit. I kept thinking consolidation. Like, you want some form of confirmation if you want to get into a trade, something like a large extension on the market before getting in. You don't want to just get in randomly because it would be a little bit more difficult, but you can with the right risk management. You can make a coin flip strategy work. Yeah. How to find mechanical energy. Bro, look it up, mate. He's not Google. Do you get chicks trading? I got a chick. Stay in the trade longer. I don't think that's the best idea. Swing or day, what's better? Depends what sort of time you have. Combination of kind of both. So I can be in a trade in 30 minutes. I can also be in a trade for 3 weeks. It really depends. Obviously with swing trading, you have to be conscious of fees, overnight fees, shit like that. What's your approach to setting profit targets and stop losses? I don't use stop losses. That's why I have such little risk. I only risk either 0.1 or 0.25% of my account. And I'm pretty sure I answered that already. Are you like a bot? I literally just answered that in like a massive detail. The fuck? What's the best strategy? I mean, there's lots of strategies out there. My personal favorite is what I developed my bot to do, which is dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, and martingale. Started with 16K, now it's 9. Nvidia sucks, rough. Is options good? Never traded options, never looked into it, so not able to help you there, mate, sorry. Paddy, thank you very much for following me. What happens after a 200K prop challenge? What do you mean? But with no stop loss, you can get liquidated with a big move, right? If you're risking too much, absolutely you can. But it's with my strategy, it's very difficult. Very difficult. I've done tests through COVID. It's been fine. I've done tests through Ukraine war. It's been fine. Didn't even lose money. I was just in drawdown. And not enough drawdown. Like the majority of my tests were like under 20% drawdown. So, and that's through fucking COVID. So yeah. How do you optimize gamma scalping with stochastics? Fuck. Oh my god, bro. I don't know if you're taking the piss. Like, surely this is a joke. Surely this is your like chat GPTing shit to take the piss. Like, I'm answering your questions. You're not even fucking, like, you're just saying this weird shit. So I'm not even going to reply to you anymore. Sorry, bro. I feel like I've explained enough. It's 4x. What time do you come at live every day? 5:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time and 11:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Yep. Fuck, I actually haven't checked my TikTok requirements. What's the latest on... Okay. Wait, what? The fuck? Oh, you're kidding me. Oh, for fuck's sake. Paddy, bro. Where are you from? Australia. Are you not going to answer me? Hey, Earth? Bro, I don't know what you're talking about. Same as hey and on. What's your opinion on XRP will blow up tomorrow? I doubt it. Tomorrow. Shush ChatGPT, bro, legit. It legit seems like it's just straight ChatGPT. Cav79, thank you very much for following me. What's a TRI star pattern? TRI star pattern. I don't know. Oh, tri-star pattern. Is that what you're asking? Bro, you think I know every single candlestick pattern? I do not. I've probably seen it before, but yeah. I mean, there's fucking 15 different explanations that I'm looking at. But essentially it's just 3 doji candles. Can I work for you, please, brother? What do you want to do? What are you good at? Bro, stop. Wilson, thank you very much for following me. Which liquidity fractal diverging from historical VWAP mean reversion thresholds? Are we star down T? Bro, I actually like, oh fuck, bro. Are we star down the barrel of a convexity driven liquidity trap, or just another gamma juice head fake? I actually can't. Bro, literally so many people come in here and do that shit. Like, there was this guy, I literally had to ban him. This was the first guy I ever got rid of, right? He came in and he had no idea about trading, right? He had no idea about trading. And he was fucking with me for a while, found all my accounts and was like spamming the shit out of me, reported me, all this shit, right? It was fucked. He was the first guy I ever banned. And he would come in here and do all that shit. And I would be like, deep diving, because I was very new, I was like deep diving into my brain of trading of the last 5 years to try and remember some of this random shit that I'd heard once, maybe 4 years ago, and answering the fucking questions, and then realizing that he had fucking no idea what he was talking about. He was just trying to fuck with me. And now it's just like when people kind of do that shit, if I think they're legitimately asking, I'll fucking answer it. But the majority of the time, it's just like, bro, come on. Like, what are you doing? What do you consider night trading instead? Oh, come on, homie is actually smiling my question. What? What are we talking about? What is a counseling baby swallow pattern? I like that one. I like that one. Jackson, what do you think about Bitcoin? I don't know. It's at a discount. Might be a good time to buy. Homie is skipping my question. I'm not skipping your question. Hey, bud. What up, Toby? Do you genuinely believe in candlestick charts on a serious note? Yeah. To an extent. I mean, like, you can get pretty accurate. Like, the thing with indicators is they're almost all bullshit, right? Almost all bullshit. You can utilize an indicator to find something like profit. Sorry, not profits. Large extensions in the market and just get you in. It doesn't really matter when you get in the market. It's how you manage your positions when you're in the market, essentially. That's why, like, these people that scalp like crazy 1 minute, they'll be sitting here, or even 5 minute charts, they'll be sitting here trying to pick the right times to buy. So it doesn't really work like that. Support and resistance is a real thing. That's about it. and something like something that indicates, buying pressure. I do like the RSI. Grub, you reckon? Let's have a look at you. Righto. Yeah, I just did. It's obviously just a troll, but yeah, whatever. Anyway, I like the RSI because it shows you overbought or oversold conditions, right? Now, when banks and institutions are buying up a currency, they have to sell it. They have to sell it. Okay. Jacob, why don't you PM me? Huh? You call me a grub? Who are ya? Hiding under a fake account. I'm sure you'd know. I'm not fucking scared of you. Like candlestick patterns. Oh. Some. Build up confluences from high time frame as well. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Well, I use a high time frame bias and a lower time frame entry. So yeah. Is NFP this Friday? Thursday, I think. Wednesday night, tomorrow night at 10. For me, I don't know where you are. Yeah, go on, Jacob. Who are ya? Pussy. When doing that, make sure you take into account trapped short gamma and liquidity. Ridiculous. Confluence from the higher time frames. Right, guys, I cannot even. Like, I actually cannot even. I want to know who this guy is. I can see that he I'm not the only person that he talks shit to. He probably just found like my old Facebook or some shit. So I had to talk some shit. I don't reckon this guy actually knows who I am. Obviously a pussy anyway on a fucking fake account. Thank you, ChatGPT. I know CPI is sometime this week. Yeah, Friday. Oh, fuck. It's not this week. What's Thursday? Unemployment. Swiss CPI, which will be interesting. We'll see if that figure goes down to 0, we could see pressure to move bank rates to 0 or negative maybe. How much for mentorship? $47 a month. And that's all inclusive of everything. And you can have one-on-ones with me for free. I give way too much value in there for how much it costs. I mainly trade indices, but gold is past 3,000 and it's pushing. It is. Do you trade New York or Sydney session usually? With indices, New York and London, but I'm not doing it at the moment. Big fan from news. You said this yesterday. He takes into account the evaporating market depth and delta housing amplifying moves. It's time to boost, guys. I'm going to be back in a couple of hours. I got some shit to do. If you want to join the mentorship, get the fuck in there. Get in there. Come have a chat. Come learn. Free Discord. Also linked in my bio. Happy to help out wherever I can. Hit the follow button. Follow me. I'll be back in about 4 hours. Peace. Have a good one. Talk to you guys later. Meow.